guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do everything budget related. If those sort of videos interest you, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video we're going to be cash stuffing my saving challenges. I've already opened up my sparkling water, so I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. So good. So this is my savings challenge binder. For those that may not know, I do not budget specifically for these envelopes. I use only my rollover. I do my weekly unstuffings, and every 2 weeks is payday, so whatever I have left over from that week's unstuffing is what goes into my savings challenges. So let's just count to see how much we're going to be cash stuffing today. I hope everyone is doing well. I cannot believe it's already August 14th. It's crazy. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. All right, so we have $70. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and we're gonna start with my first challenge. Okay, so we're gonna start with my luxury challenge. Okay, so here are my highlighters. We're gonna start off with luxury challenge. I don't know if I already said that. I just had to dig through a whole bunch of stuff to find these. I swear, I'm just like so disorganized right now. So I'm gonna just color in one envelope. And each envelope represents $20. Okay, so luxury challenge now has 120, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20. Okay, we are gonna go to the back. We're gonna go to, okay, so savings is for the birds. This is the one that I had scratched off $15 last week. So I'm gonna cash stuff this today with 15. So that's 10, 15. Let's go ahead and scratch off another one so we know what we're gonna be doing my next savings challenge. I'm gonna come up here. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be another 15. We're going to go to my sweet savings and the Kris Print It. So let's start off with the sweet savings. We are going to be only saving today $5 because I don't have a whole lot of money to work with, and I kind of want to do a few other saving challenges. $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $100, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $5, $85, $95, $200, and $5, $10, $15, $20, and $25. So that's $225. So all I have is $25 to cash stuff, and then this challenge is completed. Okay, so the next one is going to be the July savings for Kris Print It. We are going to be doing one of each. Okay, so now we're gonna save $15. And it's this envelope here. Okay, so this challenge and my May and June now have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that's 140. When I complete this challenge, then I will redistribute these funds. Okay, so I do want to do my roll the dice. I know I only have, I think, 15 bucks left over. Let me just double check. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so hopefully I don't go over. We will see. So I'm going to roll the big dice, and this is how many times. When I roll the big dice, it's going to tell me how many times I'm going to roll the little dice. Okay, please let it be a low number. Please, 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 please. Whoa. Okay, so I have to roll this 6 times. Ay, mama sota. All right, let's just see. Hopefully they're low numbers. Okay, so 4. Oh. Okay, 6. I think I'm gonna go over with this challenge. If that's the case, I'm gonna have to get it from another envelope. I don't want to, but let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have 3 more times. What? No, this cannot be live right now. This really cannot be live. But why? Okay, maybe I need to roll the dice with my right hand. I have 2 more times. Okay, 3. This is not even like cool. Like, what's wrong with you? Roll the dice. 1. See that? I could have done it with my right hand and it would have not been all this money. All right, I might have to just do an IOU because I don't know if I want to take money out of another fund for this. All right, so let's just see how much I'm going to be needing to stuff this envelope with. So we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1 plus 7. That's $26. And I only have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, minus 15. So I owe this $11. Not bad, not too bad. I thought it was gonna be more than that. All right, so I'm just gonna put here. This is the first time that this has happened to me. I probably should have done this first and then do my Kris Print It and the Sweet Savings and then just see what I had left over, but that's okay. So I'm gonna put here, I owe you $11. Okay, so let's just see how much this challenge has. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So I should have 135 after my next one. Hopefully I have money left over, which I should, but you know, 11 bucks is going here. This is going to be the first challenge that's going to get stuffed after my luxury, because I do like to stuff luxury every time I do my saving challenges. All right, you guys, so this is it. I know this video was kind of short. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is getting really, really chunky. I'm going to have to do maybe like a I was gonna call it a condensation. I'm so tired right now and I'm sweating. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot. I keep getting hot flashes. I don't know if it's because of these lights, but either way, I want to thank you so much for making it this far. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. You guys have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. Take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.